We're going to negotiate the slope.
Wow.
So in Altos del Liminar, we haven't really got a way to get directly onto the cycle track apart from climbing up this slope. You can go back down to the roundabout, of course, and get on that way. But to get back on, we need to get this sorted out because we've got to lift the bikes on here, haven't we?
Yes, well, I'm going to need some help.
Yvonne can't do it on her own.
Can't do it on my own.
So I've got to do 2 bikes up the slope.
It's too slippery.
Up the slippery slope. Let's wait for the traffic. Right, there we go. That on there.
Help.
Can't you do it?
Lady in distress.
Can't you manage?
Can't climb up and push the bike.
There you go. Right.
Nice and shining hour.
Remount the vehicle. Off we go.
Woo!
No power yet. It's pretty flat.
I haven't got my power on yet, no.
There we go. Let's pump these legs. Oh, he's a quick one. It's busy today. I bet you thought that was me whizzing past, didn't you?
Thought that were you?
Thought it was me, did you?
I thought, blimey, he's in a rush.
It's busy, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I think we're on the cycle track now. I think 90% of this journey is on the cycle track, which is good. We are going to Quesada Fish and Chips, aren't we?
It's Friday.
It's Fish Friday. So where better to go than Quesada Fish and Chips?
Yay. Get some milk on the way back.
Get some milk, yeah. So just going past Mercadona, still on the cycle track, up the 905, and this just comes off onto the road behind for a while, and then we'll get back on it a bit later on. There's Mercadona, that's our local supermarket. Well, no, it's not our local supermarket. Hyperbear's our local supermarket. Mercadona's where we do our big shop because it's a little bit cheaper than Hyperbear, but Hyperbear's still very good. And of course, I can't get me Governor wine anywhere but Mercadona, so that just wins me over. Still haven't put my power on yet.
No, what gear are you in?
5. What are you in?
4.
4. Wow, just shows how strong I am, doesn't it? Now this guy going to knock me off my bike? No, he's going to wait. Thank you. So we've just left the sort of San Luis lakeside part. We're back on the cycle track on the main road on the CV 905, and now it's a clean sweep of cycle track as far as Donna Pepper. We usually cross the road at Donna Pepper roundabout because the cycle track is it doesn't run out, but you can't cross into Quesada from there very easily without going around the roundabout. So we usually get off at Donna Pepper and then cycle up through there to Quesada. So that's what we're doing at the moment. The cycle tracks are great up here.
What a professional cyclist out.
Professional cyclists.
In the Lycra.
Just going past the Pink Lake, of course, which takes a while to get past it because it's that big. But we're just sort of at the top of it now. Looking at Los Montesinos on the left. and we can see Quesada on the right, the top of the hill there. It's a bit misty today, but pleasant. It's not too, it's a bit of a breeze, but it's all right. It's nice. Now I think we're going to go downhill now because I'm not really having my power on so much. I think it's 6 kilometres to Quesada from our place. You know, it looks like we're going downhill, but we're going uphill, aren't we?
Are we going uphill?
I don't. It feels like we're going uphill, doesn't it?
I've just gone into gear 6 from 4.
Have you? Yeah, I suppose we are, but it's not. We're not actually. We're still having to push, aren't we?
Yeah, so having to pedal. It's not like you can just freewheel.
Is it an optical illusion? It looks like you're going downhill.
Yeah, it does.
Now it looks like, it feels a bit more like we're going downhill now.
Yeah, I feel like I can stop pedalling and I'll still keep moving.
Yeah, that's. We're definitely at a slight gradient down. But sometimes you get the illusion that it looks like you're going downhill, but you're not. You're going uphill, which is very, very disturbing and very, very disappointing. Because you've got to pedal like the clappers.
You've got to pedal.
And I haven't turned my power on so much. I think I've only put it on once.
Have you had your power on at all?
Yeah, I have once, a little bit. Crossing the main road, I put it on, but only for a few seconds, really.
Yeah. I'll let you off.
It's quite, well, it's probably safer to put your power on when you're doing a manoeuvre, just in case, you know, you've got a brake and you can't get going again. Oh look, a rabbit.
Oh, where?
Can you see it there, look?
Oh, no, I missed it.
Oh,
We're at a big one.
you were a big one, yeah? Just think you had a hair too late there, dear.
Oh,
Right, come on then. Shall we have a cup of coffee?
yeah.
Shall we go to this Spanglish bar? We've been to those on there last time. Let's go to,
Around the corner.
yeah, opposite the supermarket. Shall we put them here and sit there?
Yeah.
Let's do that, eh? Sit. Just park them back to back. Having a nice cup of coffee at the
Alma Bar Cafeteria.
Alma Bar Cafeteria. It looks very nice. Have you had a taste yet?
Yeah, but it's very hot.
Is it very hot? I like it hot. Even though it's hot outside. We're quite warm today, aren't we?
It's really warm, just sat here in the sunshine.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And we had a biscuit.
We had a biscuit. And that was my breakfast.
That was not your breakfast.
My breakfast?
You had some cereal.
Can't remember.
You had some of that muesli stuff, which is all gone now.
I'm looking forward to my fish and chips.
Are you really?
Yeah. Must be 12 months since we've been at Quesada Fish and Chips.
I think it's longer.
Is it longer? I think the last time we went was at the meeting, wasn't it? The drone. When we did a video actually, if you look it up on our back catalogue, as I say. And it's about a drone meeting that I went with Sean and some other nice people, Steve. And we had a really good day out at Elshi Dam. We flew at Elshi Dam. We all had our drones out and we flew at some viaducts, bridges, and at the Elshi Dam. It was a really nice day out. 3 different locations. And we finished the day at Quesada Fish and Chips.
We did. I think that was the last time. That must be 2 years ago.
Yeah, and we had to walk home.
Yeah, because there's no buses.
Because there's no buses from Quesada to Torrevieja.
And we hadn't gone on our bikes because we had a lift.
We thought, we'd just get a bus. And they want a bus,
We
wouldn't
want a bus.
they? Anyway.
We walked. What
We
is
could
it,
have-
6 miles?
It's 6 miles, yeah. We could have got a taxi, but... Anyway, we've biked from there. We've probably done 5 of those miles on the bike this morning. And it's a lovely day. It's warm. What day is it? The 12th.
It's the 12th, Friday.
Friday the 12th, and the temperature is round about 25, I would say.
It did say
24,
24, but it does
25.
feel, mind you, we're in the sun. So.
We are in the sun, yeah. So we're just coming into Quesada now. We've come off the cycle track and we're on the road to the right going up towards Quesada. Here we are at Quesada Fish and Chips.
Yum yum.
And I'm looking forward to this. Now, we've ordered the meal of the day, haven't we?
We have. You can choose between cod or haddock and chips, peas and bread and butter.
Yeah.
Or you can have homemade pie
Ooh.
served with chips or
We'll have that for tea.
vegetables and gravy.
Yeah.
Or half roast chicken served with chips and coleslaw. $9.50.
Well, that's pretty good. Half roast chicken, isn't it?
Yeah. But they do all sorts. They do burgers, jacket potatoes, combos.
It's quite a good menu, isn't it? You know. Really.
They do Sunday lunch.
We do
What's that,
Sunday lunch.
there, look?
How much is that?
Do that.
Serve 12 till 6. A starters, a soup of the day, beetroot and goat's cheese salad, garlic mushrooms, pate or classic prawn cocktail. Followed by the main, which is a prime roast beef, roast pork loin and crackling, roasted turkey, minted New Zealand lamb shank. That's got a supplement of $3.50, and vegetarian nut roast. And then you get a dessert, nutty apple crumble, sticky toffee sponge, chocolate and hazelnut brownie, cheesecake of the day. One course is $10.50, two courses are $13.50, and the whole 3 courses $16.50.
Oh, they do a Sunday special.
Yeah.
Cod chips and peas, available all day Sunday for $8.50.
Wow, that's good, isn't it? That's cheaper than what we're getting now, isn't it? What we're paying $9.50.
Yeah, it doesn't say there's bread and butter with that though. Whereas we're getting bread and butter.
We're getting bread and butter, so I can have a chip butty.
You can, or a fish butty.
I'm gonna have a chip butty, I think. Do you think it's coming soon?
Don't know, is that table up there ordered before us?
I don't know, but we've got a pint as well, haven't we? It's not part of the meal of the day, is it, the pint?
No, but it's a nice pint.
It's a nice pint.
Heineken by the looks of it.
Yeah.
And I think since we've been here this time, apart from fish gojons that we had, bacon butty, I don't think we've had fish and chips.
No. 5 weeks and we haven't had fish and chips.
That's a disgrace.
To apologise to our subscribers for not having fish and chips.
In the UK, we were having them every Friday.
Yeah, Wetherspoons every Friday.
Wetherspoons,
Cleckheaton. Down Cleckers. We don't get out much, do we?
Only to Clackers.
It's too cold to go anywhere else. So did you get haddock or cod?
I'm getting haddock.
And I'm getting cod.
You're getting cod.
But I don't think there's that much difference.
We'll see what the difference is with ours.
2 o'clock, I'm starving.
It's about 5 hours since we had cereal for breakfast. We had that little biscuit with us coffee.
I won't even put a dent in it. Put it, a little biscuit.
There's something coming this way. I
Ooh,
don't
think it's
think
coming?
it's ours.
Oh, are you
It
sure?
could be. Yes,
oh,
it
it
is, I
could
think
be.
it might
Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Hello.
thank you very much. Ta.
Cute.
Then I've got a cod.
A cod, yes please.
A cod. There
Thank you.
go.
That's a nice big one.
It is. It's a nice big piece of it. There you go.
Lovely. Thank
Cheers.
you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Yeah.
Blimey, that's big. Different shape, aren't they?
Yeah. You can eat now. I'll just have one more.
Stick with my ketchup.
So this is cod. That's cod. This is cod. Very nice. Try your haddock.
Is it different?
I find that hard to tell the difference. Both very nice. Let's go for the mushy peas. They're lovely mushy peas. And quite a generous portion. Well, I'd love to try the pie and chips.
I'm sure you would.
We might just stop, have a few beers. What time is it now? 2:10. Stop till about what? 6, 6:30,
What time to close?
and go for the pie and chips. Is that an idea? Is that a good plan?
No.
Probably not. Oh, do you want dessert?
After eating all this?
Some bread and butter pudding and custard.
Oh, you did
When you're
before.
finished. I think it's 2:10, to be honest with you.
2:10.
Right, okay, so on that note, I think it's time to wrap the video up.
Yep.
So, it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3, 2, 1.
One.
Ding!
Adios.